Patil. Currently, I am working at Gulabrao Patil Memorial Trust DED College, English Medium DED College, Meerut. I have completed Masters in Sangli, Masters in Science, and Masters in Education. Learning new things is my passion. Before starting this video, I would like to thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity. Also, thankful to our chairman, Honorable Principal Prithviraj Baba Patil, and all our trustees for the opportunity. I would like to thank Principal of Diet, Vikas Sargar sir, who worked hard make this initiate turn into the reality. Thank you for valuable guidance of our Gulabrao Patil College Principal sir and my Principal Dr. D.N. Karave sir and all my colleagues. Dear students, I used all the previous year question papers in this video. It will help you to crack the TET exam. So all the best for your TET exam. So let's start. So from first question, Newton's first law of gravity motion is also known as. So Newton's first law of motion is also known as. आता इथे काय दिलेलं आहे? लॉ ऑफ इनर्शिया, लॉ ऑफ एक्सिलरेशन, लॉ ऑफ रिएक्शन, लॉ ऑफ फोर्स. 4 MCQs तुम्हाला दिलेले असतात. टीईटीचा पॅटर्न तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी माहिती आहे. 1 क्वेश्चन 4 MCQs आहेत. तुम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये टिकआउट गोल करायचे. सो दिस इज द पॅटर्न. हे पण न्यूटननीच फाइंड आउट केलेले आहेत. हे पण न्यूटननीच फाइंड आउट केलेले आहेत. पण हे पण न्यूटननीच फाइंड आउट केलेले आहे. तर न्यूटननी काय सांगितलेलं आहे? ऑब्जेक्ट स्टेडी ऍट पोझिशन, त्याच्यासाठी आपण इनर्शियाचा वापर केलेला आहे. लॉ ऑफ एक्सिलरेशन इज नथिंग बट एक्सिलरेशन इज डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल ए. इट इज प्रेझेंट ऑन द अर्थ. नेक्स्ट लॉ ऑफ रिएक्शन. लॉ ऑफ रिएक्शन इक्वल अँड अपोजिट रिएक्शन. लॉ ऑफ रिएक्शन कशाला म्हणतात? इक्वल अँड अपोजिट रिएक्शन. इक्वल अँड अपोजिट रिएक्शन. Law of force. Law of force, the nothing but earth has a gravitational force. It is present everywhere. That is called as law of force. So आपला inertia बद्दल विचारलेला क्वेश्चन आहे. So it is law of inertia. Newton's first law states that body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion unless and until unbalanced the external force applied on it. Okay. So we'll go for next question. Second, which of the following quantities is a vector? So there are two things. There are two qualities. Scalar and vector. तर स्केलर बद्दल आपल्याला काय सांगता येईल? स्केलर अँड वेक्टर. वेक्टर मध्ये काय? बोथ मॅग्नेट्यूड अँड डिरेक्शन. बोथ मॅग्नेट्यूड अँड डिरेक्शन. अँड हे झालं वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज स्केलर. स्केलर मराठीमध्ये कदाचित बघा तुम्ही याला सदिश राशी आणि अदिश राशी असं बोललं जातं. तर त्याच्यामध्ये वेक्टर इज नथिंग बट बोथ मॅग्नेट्यूड अँड डायरेक्शन. स्केलर इज नथिंग बट ओनली मॅग्नेट्यूड. स्केलर इज नथिंग बट ओनली मॅग्नेट्यूड. मॅग्नेट्यूड. सो क्वांटिटीज ऑफ वेक्टर विचारलेले आहे. स्पीड. स्पीड कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी मॅग्नेट्यूड ओनली. वी नीड मॅग्नेट्यूड ओनली. डिस्टन्स. डिस्टन्स कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी मॅग्नेट्यूड. वेक्टर मध्ये बोथ मॅग्नेट्यूड अँड डिरेक्शन. टाइम इज ऑल्सो मॅग्नेट्यूड ओनली. सो अवर आन्सर इज सी. सो वेलॉसिटी हॅज बोथ मॅग्नेट्यूड अँड डिरेक्शन वेअर एज स्पीड ओनली हॅज मॅग्नेट्यूड डायरेक्शन. सो विल गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. Which of the following is an example of non-uniform motion? Means at time and velocity made same. So non-uniform मध्ये a car. Car is nothing but non-uniform motion. कार काय आहे? Non-uniform motion आहे. Because first time कार वेगळ्या स्पीडने जाते, नेक्स्ट 10 minutes ला वेगळ्या स्पीडने जाते. कार has a non-uniform motion. Earth's rotation, particular time, particular speed. Earth's rotation, particular time, particular speed. And fan's blade rotation, particular time, particular speed. Planets orbiting around the sun, it's fixed time, fixed rotation. So only car moving with varying speed. Non-uniform speed is nothing but car. Next question. According to the Newton's second law of force is equal to the. So all formulas are given. तुम्ही जर फिजिक्स मध्ये बघाल तर इट्स टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन फॉर्म्युलाज बिकॉज if we see the all formulas are looking like same but in that something is different. So formula mass and velocity is nothing but mass and velocity is different. mass म्हणजे वस्तुमान, velocity म्हणजे वेग. mass and acceleration हा फॉर्म्युला कशाचा आहे? mass and acceleration is nothing but force. is nothing but force. Weight and distance, momentum of force. So momentum of force म्हणजे एखाद्या डोअरला आपण क्लोज करत असताना पूर्ण डोअरला पकडून आपण बंद करत नाही. वी हॅव टू यूज ओनली फॉर स्टँड. ओनली त्या स्टँडला आपण पुश आउट आणि पुल इन केलं तरच ते ऑन ऑफ होतात. सो इट इज नथिंग बट वेट अँड डिस्टन्स आपण त्याच्यासाठी कॅल्क्युलेट. सो आपला आन्सर आहे बी, मास अँड ऍक्सिलरेशन. न्यूटन फोर्स बद्दल सांगितलेलं आहे. सो पुढे जाऊया आपण. न्यूटन थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन स्टेट्स दॅट. न्यूटननी ग्रॅव्हिटेशनचे 3 लॉज दिलेले आहेत. So first law is nothing but, first law means object steady at its position unless and until external unbalanced force applied on it. And Newton's second law काय येते? F into ma. Second law काय येते? F into ma, mass into acceleration. आता आपण पाठीमागच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये पाहिले. सेकंड लॉ काय येते? F into ma. F is equal to mass into acceleration. सेकंड लॉ. आता इथं आपल्याला विचारलेलं आहे न्यूटन थर्ड लॉ. थर्ड लॉ काय आहे? फॉर एव्हरी ऍक्शन इक्वल अँड अपोजिट रिएक्शन. जर मी एखाद्या भिंतीला मारलं तर भिंतीला जेवढे लागणार आहे तेवढेच माझ्या हातालाही लागणार आहे. इक्वल आणि अपोजिट रिएक्शन तिथे होणार आहे. सो न्यूटन थर्ड लॉ काय सांगतोय आपल्याला? इक्वल अँड अपोजिट रिएक्शन. न्यूटनच्या तिन्ही लॉ वरती एक ना एक क्वेश्चन 100% पडतोय, त्यामुळे न्यूटनचे लॉ परफेक्ट करून ठेवायचे. तर नंतर ना आपल्याला दिलेला आहे अ बॉडी ऑफ मास 2 kg. अ बॉडी ऑफ मास 2 kg. तर 2 kg मास दिलेला आहे आपल्याला. मास इज नथिंग बट 2 kg. मुव्हिंग विथ 3 मीटर पर सेकंड. मोमेंटम दिलेलं आहे. सो आपल्याला मोमेंटमचा फॉर्म्युला काय आहे? m इंटू v. P is equal to m into v. P is equal to m into v. मास किती दिलेला आहे? 2 kg. अँड वेलॉसिटी किती, रिव्हॉल्विंग विथ किती दिलेलं आहे? 3 मीटर पर सेकंड. सो आपला आन्सर येणार आहे 6. 2 into 3 6. फॉर्म्युला आहे आपल्या मोमेंटमचा P is equal to m into v. पुढे बघूया. द युनिट ऑफ फोर्स SI युनिट अँड CGS युनिट दोन टाईपचे असतात. स्टँडर्ड युनिट जे काउंट करण्यासाठी फिजिक्स मध्ये सगळीकडे वापरलेलं जातं. इंटरनॅशनल स्टँडर्ड युनिट, SI युनिट आणि CGS युनिट. पुढे CGS युनिट बद्दल पण आपल्याला क्वेश्चन आहे. तर इथं काय आहे? न्यूटनने फाइंड आउट केल्यामुळे फोर्सचा न्यूटन त्यांनी स्वतःच्या नावावरती फाइंड आउट दिलेला आहे. सो आपला आन्सर काय आहे? बी. न्यूटन इज द फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड टू गिव्ह अ 1 kg मास ऑफ एन एक्सिलरेशन 1 मीटर स्क्वेअर. एक सेंटेन्स तुम्हाला काउंट करण्यासाठी SI युनिट साठी दिलेलं आहे. पुढे जाऊया. सो फ्रिक्शन ऑलवेज ऍक्ट्स ऑन. फ्रिक्शन म्हणजे घर्षण. नेहमी वस्तूच्या फ्रिक्शन झाल्याने त्याच्यातनं काय होते? नेहमी वस्तूच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने ते ऍक्ट होते. इट्स अपोजिट रिएक्शन. सो अपोजिट टू द मोशन. इफ वी सी, आपण जर चालायला लागलो, इफ वी गिव्ह प्रेशर टू द बॅक साइड विल गो फ्रंट. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट अपोजिट टू द मोशन. फ्रिक्शन रेजिस्ट रिलेटिव्ह मोशन and always acts opposite to the direction of motion. So between two surfaces, आपण चालताना पाय पाठीमागे ढकलतो and will move forward. So this is nothing but friction. So friction, our answer is opposite. Our answer is opposite. Next question. Acceleration is zero. ऍक्सिलरेशन इज प्रेझेंट ऑन अर्थ. मी सांगितलेलं आहे वेलॉसिटी नाही बदलत, ऍक्सिलरेशन असते. ऍक्सिलरेशन काय आहे? ऍक्सिलरेशन इज नथिंग बट स्पीड इज कॉन्स्टंट. स्पीड इज कॉन्स्टंट. ऍक्सिलरेशन मध्ये स्पीड इज कॉन्स्टंट असते. ऍक्सिलरेशन इज द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलॉसिटी. ऍक्सिलरेशन म्हणजे काय? रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलॉसिटी. इफ स्पीड इज कॉन्स्टंट देयर नो चेंज इन वेलॉसिटी, हेन्स द ऍक्सिलरेशन इज झिरो. So everything is depends on acceleration. So next question, the momentum of an object depends on. We already saw the formula of momentum. P is equal to m into v. P is equal to m into v. Mass into velocity. So both mass and velocity, obviously the formula is P is equal to m into v. So it depends on both mass and velocity. Next question. A ball thrown upward return to the ground due to. We already know everywhere gravitational force is present. So the answer is gravitation. Earth's gravitation pull attracts the ball back towards the surface after it's thrown upward. If we throw anything, ball, pen, pencil, anything in the universe, it automatically comes down because everywhere Earth has a gravitational force. Next, force is defined as. Force is defined as. Force is defined as pull or push on a body. Force is defined as pull or push on a body. So A. First, rate of motion is nothing but आपण जेव्हा फिरतो, motion happens, that is nothing but rate of motion. Velocity is totally different. Force P is equal to m into v. Momentum साठी यूज केलेला आहे. Resistance, to resist something, it is nothing but in the motion resist something, so that one is nothing but resistance. Next question मी resistance वरती पण घेतलेला आहे. Pull or push is nothing but force. So our answer is A. Which of the following is an contact force? So contact force means contact to one another object. Contact force. First one आपल्याला लिहिलेला आहे magnetic force. Magnetic force काय सांगते? Magnetic force. Magnetic force, it shows pull or push experienced by magnetic material due to the electric charge. It shows pull or push depend on charge. Depend on charge. Okay, depend on charge. So gravitation force, contact force कसा आहे? Gravitation force नाही येणार. Gravitation force is nothing but any object attracts towards the earth. That one is nothing but gravitation force. It is present on earth. Two surface contact with each other is nothing but frictional force. Means nothing but when we are walking, it is nothing but frictional force. Any machines are working based on the frictional force. And next is nothing but electrostatic force. Electrostatic force, if you see the balloons, if we rub the surface of balloon and we'll take that balloon towards the hair, the hairs are automatically attached to that balloon. Why? Because it is nothing but unlike light force, electrostatic force are totally depends on all over the surface area. All over the surface area. Electrostatic. So C आपला answer है. Our answer is nothing but C. So frictional force occurs only when two surface contact. Hence it is a contact force. पुढे जाऊया. 14th question. Friction can be reduced by. Frictional force, two surface contact with each other. Many things are there to reduce the friction. In that one I gave using lubricants. Another things also is there. Polishing machine, making surface, using all ball bearing. Nowadays in market, ball bearing is also present to reduce the friction. Using wheels to roller, using air cushion. These all things are used as a reduce friction. So in that one I gave using lubricant. Answer is nothing but using lubricant. C. So next question. The force that keeps a body moving in a circular path. So all wheels are revolving around the circular path, right? Sun are revolving around, all planets are revolving around the sun. All are going to revolving around the circular path because in that centripetal force is present. One example, if I one example I'll give you. तुम्ही जर एक दोरी घेतला, एका दोरीला कडला दगडाने बांधला आणि ती दोरी जर तुम्ही जोर जोरातनं फिरवायला लागला तर त्याच्यावरती पडणारा फोर्स आहे सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू गिव्हिंग दॅट फोर्स फ्रॉम सेंटर टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर. सो ते गोल फिरायचं कारण काय यू आर सेंटर फोर्स इज अप्लाइड ऑन द बॉडी. सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स इज अप्लाइड ऑन द बॉडी. वर्क द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ वर्क इज नथिंग बट ऍक्ट टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. It is done body only when a force causes movement motion in its direction is nothing but work done. When you walk, friction acts. B. Right now I am walking like that. Friction कसं? SI unit of work. SI unit of work आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे MCQ मध्ये वॅट. वॅट कशाचा आहे? पॉवर. The SI unit of power is nothing but watt. Newton फोर्स. एनर्जी अर्थ कशाचं आहे? अर्थ एनर्जी. एनर्जी अँड वर्क जूल. सो जूल इज द SI unit of work. Next question. Power is defined as. Power is defined as. The formula of power is nothing but work done upon time. So rate of work done is nothing but power. Rate of work done is nothing but power. A. Answer is A. Work done upon time. It measures how fast work done. So power is defined as. So next question. The SI unit of power. आता आपण SI unit बाकीच्या जे सगळ्यांच्या बघितलेले आहेत. वर्क जूल इज नथिंग बट वर्क डन. वॅट सांगितलेलं आहे मी. पुढं काय? न्यूटन फोर्स आहे. एम्पियर. एम्पियर कशाचं आहे? एम्पियर इज द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. एम्पियर इज द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. बी काय? वॅट सांगितलेलं आहे. पॉवरचं SI युनिट आहे. पुढे जाऊया. कायनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ अ बॉडी डिपेंड्स ऑन. Kinetic energy of a body depends on. Every body has a kinetic energy when at steady position. That time, so it is depends on mass and velocity. The formula of kinetic energy half into mv square. So it depends on both. It depends on both mass and square of the velocity. Mass and square of the velocity. So answer is C. Mass and velocity. So we'll go next question. A man lifts a box to a height of 2 meters. Work done depends on. Work done depends on both height and weight. What is the weight of that box and what is the height of he is pulling down. So work done force into displacement. Work done force into, what is the formula of work done? Force into displacement. So displacement is force into distance. Distance is equal to the weight and height. So mgh. It depends on both height and weight. So in that, if we see height only, weight only, height and weight and time taken. So answer is C. Answer is C. We'll go next question. Which of the following is an example of potential energy? Now we saw the kinetic energy. After that, it is potential energy. Potential energy meaning energy stored object due to the mgh. Whatever we saw the formula, mgh, it depends on both. So in that potential energy. So stretched bow. So त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे बघा. A stretched bow stores energy due to its stretched position. Hence potential energy. So आपला आन्सर काय येणार आहे? Stretched bow. B. Next, the relation between work, power and time. if we see the formulas, all are looking like same, but everywhere it is confusing. So to understand the relation between power, so what is the formula of power? Work upon time. It is correlated with each other. Correlated with each other. Power is equal to work upon time. So inversely proportional to the time. Power is nothing but inversely proportional to the time. If the work done, whatever work done, it is inversely proportional to the power upon time. So next question बघूया. Power measure how quickly work done is power is equal to work upon time. So our answer is D. All formulas are little bit confusing, but concentrate. If you concentrate, then you will get understand. Next question. Who gave law of universal gravitation? It is easy. Gravitation is given by Newton, right? So the story of Newton, I think we all know. He sat under the apple tree. Suddenly, apple falls down. So he get confused why apple came on down only. Come on down only. So he searched a lot. So त्याच्यामध्ये त्याला एक कळलं की एक्सपेरिमेंट केले, इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन केले, many things have done. So then he understand की earth has a gravitation force, and because of that gravitation force in the universe, whatever the push, it comes down only. So Sir Isaac Newton, if you see the spelling of Sir Isaac Newton, proceed every object attracts every other object with the force. It is nothing but gravitational force. पुढे जाऊया. Gravitational force between two objects depends on both mass and velocity, because formula only m into v, mass and velocity. So what is the formula of capital G? Capital G is equal to m. Force is equal to capital G m1 m2 into r square upon r square. m1 m2 upon r square. So depends on both mass and velocity, mass and square of the distance between them. So this is the formula of force. Our answer is depends on both mass and distance. We go next. Acceleration due to gravity, small g. It is denoted by small g. Acceleration due to gravity. Approximately on the earth, how much it is present? 9.8. 9.8 meter per second square. Object falls with an acceleration 9.8 due to the earth's gravitation pull. The value of gravity is maximum at. Gravity is maximum. It is in equator, pole, center of earth or mountain. Is on pole due to earth shape. If we see, the earth shape is not proper circle. Earth shape is not proper circle. It is little bit it is not proper circle. It is little bit turned. So that's why it is depends on pole. It is depends on this is equator and here is the pole. So little bit it down. So that's why due to earth shape it is called as oblate spheroid. The shape name is oblate spheroid. G, it is slightly higher at pole and than the equator. Weight of a body on moon. Our weight on the earth is different and our weight on the moon it is different. So moon varti 1/6 of that of earth. इथं जर आपलं वेट फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथं आपलं वेट किती असेल 60 kg. सपोज कोणाचंही वेट घेऊया, आपल्या इथे 60 kg आहे ऑन अर्थ. इट इज ऑन अर्थ. तोच मून वरती किती असणार आहे? 10 kg. कारण 1/6 आहे ना, तर मून वरती किती असणार आहे? इट इज 10 kg. वेट इज ऑल्सो बिकम 1/6. So our answer is nothing but B. Next question. The force that keeps planets in and around the sun. Which force? All planets are revolving around the sun. So gravitational force. Gravitational force keeps all planets revolving around the sun on a particular orbit, particular time. Next question. The flow of electric charge is called as the flow of electric charge. Voltage. Voltage is nothing but electric pressure. Voltage is nothing but electric pressure. Electric pressure. So electric pressure potential difference is measured with the help of voltage. So second is electric current. Electric current is nothing but electric charge. Resistance. To resist the flow of electron is used as a resistance. So resistance R is equal to V upon I. And power is, we already saw, work done. Power is nothing but work done. The flow of electric charge is nothing but electric current. Electric current is the rate of flow of electric charge or electrons through the conductor. Next, the SI unit of electric current. SI unit of electric current. Volt, potential difference. Volt is the potential difference. Volt is a potential difference. Ampere. Ampere कशाचं आहे? Ampere is the electric current. Ohm's law वरनं आपण सांगितलेलं आहे. SI unit of electric resistance. Electric resistance. And Coulomb. Coulomb कशाचं आहे? सायंटिस्ट Coulomb. एका सायंटिस्टच्या नावावरनं दिलेलं आहे. That scientist name is nothing but Augustine D. Coulomb. Augustine D. Coulomb. या सायंटिस्टच्या नावावरनं C सिम्बॉलनी Coulomb म्हणून दिलेलं आहे. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb of the charge flowing through a conductor per second. So our answer is B, ampere. Next question. Ohm's law. Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Ohm's law states that potential difference across a conductor is directly proportional to the current through it, provided by temperature in a constant. So Ohm's law मध्ये ऑलरेडी फॉर्म्युला दिलेला आहे. Ohm's law पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स प्रेझेंट, कोणत्याही गोष्टीमध्ये पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स प्रेझेंट आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट अँड रेझिस्टन्स. नेक्स्ट बघूया. द SI युनिट ऑफ रेझिस्टन्स. रेझिस्टन्स which resist to the electrons. So is nothing but ohm. Ohm depends on the scientist name. Ohm's law. C. Ohm. SI unit of resistance. R. Okay. So next question. In a series circuit, the current. In a series, the circuit, the current. Current flows in any series. Electrons are flowing, so current is flowing. So it is same through all around the components, because if it is less and more, current get distract. So in a series, same flow, current flow through all around the element, but voltage is divided across them. How much voltage need? Fridge need different voltage. Electron fans, AC need different voltage. So it depends on how much need. Voltage is different, but current flowing through all around the compound same. So answer is A. Next, which device converts chemical energy into the electrical energy? We are getting to on the fridge, AC, all these things from chemical. Which device converts chemical energy into the electrical energy. So electric motor is nothing but it is as a machine to convert electrical energy into the mechanical energy. Electrical energy into the mechanical energy. It is exactly opposite. Generator is used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. And to convert chemical energy into the electrical energy, use cell or battery. And transformer is nothing but to use transformer as a main purpose to change the voltage. Because fridge need different voltage, AC need different voltage. So that's why transformer is used. So C is answer, cell or battery. Next, electric power is given by the formula. Electric power is given by the formula P is equal to VI. C. So, power is the rate of doing electrical work and is the product of the voltage and current. Is nothing but electric power. So, C. A magnet always has. You already all know magnet always has south and north pole both. So, C. South and north pole. Every magnet has the two poles. So, north and south. Both poles are there. Even if we cut the magnet from middle, so it shows south and north pole with that pieces. So, C. Next, the earth behave like permanent magnet because always gravitation force is present everywhere. So it is behave like permanent magnet, not temporary. Everywhere it is earth gravitational force is present. Earth itself acts as a bar magnet with the magnetic north and south pole. So A. Next, the North Pole is a freely suspended magnet point towards geographical north. Geographical region, it is a freely suspended region. By convention, the North Pole of a magnet points towards Earth geographical region is nothing but D. Our answer is Earth geographical region. Answer is nothing but geographical north. By convention, the north pole of a magnet points towards the earth's gravitational north. So is nothing but this. So next question. Artificial magnets are made up of. Iron, steel and alloy. Alloy is nothing but both. In that metal and non-metal qualities are present. That is nothing but alloy. So आपल्याला पुढे बघायचंय प्लास्टिक. फर्स्ट आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे नथिंग बट प्लास्टिक. प्लास्टिक इज मेड अप ऑफ पॉलिथिन पासून. सो प्लास्टिक इज मेड अप ऑफ पॉलिमर and molecules of polymer is called as monomer. So plastic is made up of polymer. Glass is made up of lime soda, sodium carbonate, sodium carbonate. Next, iron, steel or alloy. Alloy is the quantity of both metal and non-metal property. This is our answer. Iron, steel and alloy. Magnet is made up of. And wood. Wood is made up of cellulose, hemicellular. In that cellulose, lignin and hemicellulose. Cellulose is 40%, lignin is 15 to 30% and Hemicellulose is nothing but 20 to 30%. 20 to 30%. So wood is made up of. Plastic is made up of polymer. Glass is made up of sodium bicarbonate. So artificial or magnet is made up of iron, steel and alloy. And wood is made up of cellulose, lignin and hemicellulose. Next question. The device used to detect the presence of a magnetic field. Which device? Compass needle. If we see, it is present in all mobile, watch, everywhere. Because to identify the presence of magnetic field, it is used as a compass needle. Like many detectors are there to identify the magnetic field. In that I go compass needle. Second thing is magnetic field sensor. Magnetic field sensors are also there. Magnometer. Next is compass. Next आणि काय दिलेलं आहे? गॅसोमीटर, क्रूज मीटर हे पण दिलेले आहेत. हे सगळे काय आहेत? द डिटेक्टर ऑफ मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड अराउंड द ऑब्जेक्ट. Next, the force between two magnetic poles varies between. The force between two magnetic poles. Already we know important आपल्याला माहिती आहे पोल स्ट्रेंथ आणि याच्यावरतीच डिपेंड आहे की वॉट एव्हर द फोर्स इज देअर. द फोर्स बिटवीन टू मॅग्नेटिक पोल इम्पॉर्टंट इज दॅट पोल स्ट्रेंथ. पोलचं स्ट्रेंथ कसं आहे? सो स्क्वेअर ऑफ डिस्टन्स बिटवीन देम. आपला फॉर्म्युला काय आहे मॅग्नेटिक फील्डचा? is directly proportional to 1 upon r square. So similar to the Coulomb's law, we already saw the Coulomb's law. Similar to the Coulomb's law, gravitational force. So answer is A, square of distance between them. Next, the bouncing back of a light from surface is called as. लाईट आपल्यावरती पडून बाउन्स बॅक होते सगळीकडे. डायरेक्टली लाईट आपल्याकडे येत नसते, नेहमी बाउन्स बॅक होत असते. सो इट इज नथिंग बट रिफ्लेक्शन. रिफ्लेक्शन इज द फिनॉमिनॉन वेअर लाईट रेज बाउन्स बॅक फ्रॉम द स्टिकिंग अ पॉलिश्ड surface like a mirror. Is nothing but B, reflection. Next, the angle of incidence is equal to the, if we see the light's angles, this is a plane mirror, angle of incidence I, it reflected R, angle of, it is normal plane mirror, so it is exactly opposite, equal and opposite angle of incidence. So angle of reflection, it is angle of incidence, angle of reflection. This is angle of incidence, this is angle of reflection. So answer is A, angle of reflection. Law of reflection is known as. Next, the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another medium. If light passes from air to water, otherwise water to air, from rare to denser, so it changes its phenomena. It goes refraction. See, the spelling is refraction. Refraction occurs due to change in speed of light, because denser to rare. If it is from air to water, denser to rare. So change in between the different media like air to water. So shadow are formed because of light. Shadow are formed because of light. Travel in a straight line. Travel in a straight line. B. पुढचा बघूया. Sound is produced due to. Everywhere sound is produced due to the vibration. If I clap, the sound is produced because of this vibration. Our two hands vibration. Sound is produced when the object vibrates, causing air particles to vibrate and transfer energy as a sound wave. If I clap, the air particles get trapped. They are giving sound as a sound wave. Next question, मग आपला आन्सर काय येणार आहे? B, vibration. Sound is produced from the B. पुढचा बघूया. Sound need a dash dash to travel. Every time sound need travel to medium. If we see in a vacuum, there is nothing. So आज आपण इथे जवळपास 50 ते कन्फर्म क्वेश्चन बघितलेले आहोत. तर त्याच्यामध्ये मला एवढंच सांगायचं आहे, इट विल हेल्प यू टू क्रॅक युअर टीईटी एक्झाम. सो सगळ्यांनी भरपूर अभ्यास करायचा आहे. टीईटी मध्ये ह्याच्यामधले प्रश्न पडलेले PYQs मी वापरलेले आहेत. यूज इट अँड गो विथ पॉझिटिव्ह एनर्जी टू युअर एक्झाम. ऑल दी बेस्ट फॉर युअर TET एक्झाम. थँक्यू.